finally tried Patrick Ta Beauty because y'all sold it out for months. I could have bought shades I didn't want, but I was holding out for the She's a Doll blush palette and the She's Sculpted Cream Contour and Powder Bronzer Duo. Alright, so I have a lot of thoughts. So the She's Sculpted Cream Contour, this definitely has a glow to it. It's actually more balmy. I went in with a stippling brush and it's a little more red tone than I think I would like. I like the lightest shade in this collection because it looks much more cool tone, but I thought it was going to be too light, so I went one darker. And unless it's a very cool tone contour, I tend to like it a little bit more warm because I can always add in a cool contour with a powder. But this was a little bit red, not my favorite. And as somebody that has very textured skin, I like to go with something that is a little bit more mattifying so it doesn't enhance the texture on my skin. But it really did blend out beautifully and make the face look awesome. I would recommend this more for mature skin and dry skin. Now with the powder contour, I actually thought this was going to be more shimmery than the cream because it looks this way in the pan, but it really wasn't. This actually had more of a soft matte finish. So the powder in this I really enjoyed. And then the She's the Doll blush palette. This for me was the star of this review. The cream was gorgeous. It went on like a dream. The color was awesome. And that really has a gorgeous radiance to it where the powder blush is a little bit more mattifying. This I can definitely see myself using in the future. I'm in love with this. However, the cream contour is not my favorite, only for my skin. It's a beautiful product, but I just had textured skin, so I like a little bit more of a mattifying cream contour. And on top of it, it was a little bit too red toned for me, so I might try a different undertone, but overall, the blush is a complete hit. I think anybody can use this. Where the cream contour and powder contour, I would stick with those if you have mature skin or dry skin.